Hi everyone, happy holidays! I wanted to share this hand-painted holly nail art with you today. I started with bases alternating with white, green, and red, and a hollow gold accent nail. To create the holly nails, start by painting the berries in red. Choose a few spots first for placement so that the nail doesn't get overcrowded. Then paint the leaves with a bright green polish. Using a dark green, add some twigs and leaves pointing in different directions. I created one with a typical shape and another with dots at the tips. With the same dark green, add a line detail for the center of the main holly leaves. Then, in any open white spots, you can add an extra berry or leaf. It's up to you. To begin the herringbone shape, start with 3 white stripes down the green nail. When you're happy with the stripes, paint small diagonal lines down toward the center stripe. And on the outsides, paint them in the opposite direction. Finally, for the red nail, I created a simple grid which starts with the same 3 stripes, but instead of diagonal lines, just paint horizontally to create the squares. Finish with a shiny or matte top coat. I really hope you all enjoy this design. Please like and subscribe if you're not already. And thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, everyone!